Click on the SaMv app and you'll be prompted for your SAP driver number. This is your 7-digit number. You may need to enter your network logon. That will be your CCA email and then enter your password. Then it will start loading today's itinerary. Select a date and you'll get the list of outlets scheduled. You can also sort your itinerary. It's defaulted and sorted by priority. However, you can sort it by outlet name or the customer closing earliest. You can also tap and edit and sort them in any order you wish. Also look at your itinerary in a map view. Your inventory icon is at the bottom. This shows your identification and your current stock inventory level, which you can view at total cases and unit level, or view at a SKU item level. Scroll down to the bottom to see load weight summary tools. Before you can perform any actions, you will need to do a checkout. When starting the checkout, a summary of changes appears indicating what materials you may require. For example, 600ml CSD product labels and 380 price labels. Tap on the checkout and you'll be required to check your vehicle is in good working order and that you have the correct licenses to drive the vehicle. Signature is required. Now to accept the load. This is the driver's acceptance of the responsibility for the stock loaded. Stock is only supplied in full cases. Select Accept Load, sign, and the same again for the checker or the loader of stock. Once you've accepted the loads, your carryover stock will increase accordingly. You can view your total weight at the bottom. So let's do a fill. Select an outlet, and you may have noticed the small icons under the outlet name. These indicate activities or information as to why the outlet is requiring a visit. Tap on the outlet name and it will expand to give you more detail of those icons. This particular outlet requires a fill, has price and flavour changes required, currently has a customer-facing issue and is classified as a high priority visit. Tap the outlet name again to hide that detail. If you're not sure where the machine is, you can use Apple Maps to direct you there. The outlet information is far richer in SaMv. Make sure you have met the customer site requirements. Scroll down all the outlet details to see the units required to fill the machine. Tap on Show to see the product view. This is what you need to load on your trolley to complete the fill. Once you have picked the stock for the fill, tap Start Visit to capture the equipment activity. First, fill the machine and complete the flavour change. The screen displays a product view. I tap on one of the Mount Franklin bottles and all are highlighted. As the column is filled, the background indicates the stock level. To add stock, slide your finger across. If the column wasn't actually empty, just increase the initial inventory. I'll move this to 4 units. As I add stock, the final stock indicates how full I've left the column. So I've added 24 units, and with the initial 4 units, the total final stock was 28. I'll quickly fill these other products. Now the flavour change requires the removal of Barista Brothers for Vanilla Coke. If there were 3 units still in the machine, I'd need to capture those as removed units. Then I can add the Vanilla Coke. Then update the price accordingly. I can also change this view to product list as opposed to the planogram view. So now the filling is completed. Go back and there's a new step. Specify remove reasons. When stock is removed as a flavour change, the stock is defaulted as good, reusable stock. I can change it here if it's not resellable. Go back and the next thing is to capture the cash bag tag. You can use the iPhone camera to scan the tag or you can manually enter the number in. Go back and there's the confirmation of the price change required. Then you can capture the machine cash and vend meter reads. Go back and you can see if there's a pending minor service call to be resolved. In a couple of months, you'll actually be able to create a technical service call from here. Finally, enter any notes about the visit or to update the customer master data. Then complete the fill. Go back to the itinerary screen, scroll down, and you can see the visit is now in the completed section. Now let's say you want to load your trolley for 2 equipment instead of 1. It's easy. In your itinerary screen, tap on the What You Need icon. It will have all the outlets selected in the itinerary. Tap on Show to edit what equipment you want to fill. I've selected here 2 uni machines, and you'll see the stock required has changed to only what I need for those 2 machines, and the weight the trolley needs to hold. I can now pick the stock and complete the fills as previously shown. Once all the visits are completed in the itinerary, it's time to check in. Tap on the inventory icon again. There are 3 things you can do. Hand over your cash bags, do a stock audit, complete the check-in. Completing a check shows stock being returned to the main DC. You can only do this after seeking permission from your district manager. Capture your truck odometer, add any notes about the load, then tap Complete the check-in. Cash bag drop requires rescanning all the cash bags as you move them from the truck to the site tub or cash counting agency. Once they have all been rescanned, that will confirm the transfer. And that's basically how it works. Your district manager will have more helpful tips and tricks in how to maximize the use of this app. It's simple, easy to use, and pretty intuitive.